This transmission is coming to you.
You got it.
Welcome to the Daily Stock Report, brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Jen Hoffman, and for this Halloween, Wednesday, October 31st, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets. Today's headline news are brought to you by Ecotality, Inc. Ecotality is committed to developing and commercializing environmentally friendly energy systems and solutions that address today's global energy challenge. The amount of energy available from fossil fuels is rapidly dissipating, and one day the conventional fuel may run out. Ecotality was formed to address this rising problem, and today is actively identifying new, cleaner technologies to power our planet. Let's take a look at the headline news from Tuesday. Wall Street pulled back Tuesday as investors, uneasy about a drop in consumer confidence, traded cautiously ahead of the Federal Reserve's impending decision on interest rates. After the Fed's half-point reduction in September, most investors expect the central bank to deliver a quarter-point cut at the conclusion of its two-day meeting on Wednesday. Oil futures retreated from record-high levels on Tuesday on word that Mexican oil production is returning to normal and on expectations that a government report will show crude supplies grew last week. Sirius Satellite Radio, Inc. narrowed its loss in the third quarter as it continued to add subscribers and said it still hopes to close its deal to combine XM Satellite Radio Holdings, Inc. by the end of this year. The New York-based company lost $120.1 million, or 8 cents per share, in the 3 months that ended September 30th, compared with a loss of $162.9 million, or 12 cents per share, in the same period a year ago. The markets opened up with this morning, the Dow down 77.79 or 0.56%. The NASDAQ is down 0.73 or 0.03%, and the S&P 500 is down 9.96 or 0.56%. And now for a look at the small cap news Quality Stocks is tracking. Small cap headlines are brought to you by 5G Wireless Communications, Inc. 5G Wireless Communications, Inc. is a wireless systems infrastructure company with technology and network architecture based on standard Wi-Fi equipment. The 5G Wi-Fi system functions through macro cell base stations deployed in key areas, while dead spots are filled with smaller microcells, following the proven deployment strategy used today by cellular carriers. The QualityStocks.net daily newsletter would like to highlight Corner World as one to watch. It closed today at $2 with 7,500 shares traded. Corner World recently announced the launch of their free social networking platform. The new platform will allow content creators and graphic designers to conveniently share profit from their skill by easily distributing, promoting, and charging for their digital creations, as well as giving designers complete control of how the content is sampled and downloaded and priced. Blue Star Health, Inc. is in the process of relisting the company on the OTC Bulletin Board for the purpose of finalizing the previously announced proposed merger with Xeon Fuels, Inc. Once the relisting is complete, the merger with Xeon Fuel, Inc. is expected to close in the next 30 days. Blue Star Health, as determined the emerging biofuel industry, offers investors the best opportunity to build long-term shareholder value. Blue Star Health closed today at 13 cents with 27,007 shares traded. Abezius previously traded at $2.85, up 25% at $3.65 with 13,128 shares traded. Abezius has continued to post record sales, including preliminary unaudited sales for August, which totaled $819,000, a sale increase up of 81%. The company has attributed record sales to expanded quality customer service, an updated website, and the continued expansion of its already large jewelry inventory, allowing consumers to get the jewelry in the exact style they desire. And that's our newsmakers. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily Newsletter for the latest news from the small cap to large and everything in between by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Jen Hoffman. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow right here on the Quality Stocks Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you.
You got it.